So we're back again with the Dune Max. I've just set up a little shortcut to my test multimedia folder on my NAS. I also discovered I pressed the green button on the remote control. This one here changes the skin. Sure, that'd be useful, just save a bit of time. That'll do. Okay, so let's browse to test. Oh, at all times I've noticed that the screen, the display on the Macs at the front, is telling me what folder I'm looking in or what file I've selected, that sort of thing. I've just tried to play a Blu-ray file. It's around about 50 gig in its inception. After sitting through a lot of adverts, because I've got all the menus, everything seemed to be working fine, everything was displayed perfectly, but when I went to play the movie from the start or selected a particular scene, it seemed to stutter. Now, I've had to play with the network settings and a few other settings here and there about display options, etc. So I couldn't get any, quite frankly, good results out of it. Now, I'm going to come back to that, because obviously playing back a Blu-ray ISO is very important. So let's start here on a DVD. I think this is just a TS folder structure. I'm not sure what movie. But obviously you can change the option to be prompted. You can get it to automatically just play the folder, which would probably be handy if you've got kids and you backed up all your movies. Right, that's playing without any effort. The trouble is when you play something with full menus, you often can't skip bits and bobs. So that was me pressing the top menu and it just played it again, which is obviously no good. Oh, I want to sit through the menus. Okay, well anyway, I think that's Transformers. That was a DVD, about 5 gig, a bit less than 5 gig, 4.5 gig, and that played fine. Now let's just go into some MKV files. There we go, an 8 gig MKV. There's a small timer at the top left, it isn't moving, but I assume the clock is there to inform me something's happening. This is this has remembered of where I've previously played through on the film Up, which is quite good. It's quite a good film. I wonder how you get it to start from the beginning again, but sorry about that. So skip to the next movie in the list by pressing the next button on the remote. That's going to start playing, and fast forward that. It's 2 times, 4 times, 8. When you get past 8, media players tend to get upset. Die Hard, Never Vengeance. There we go. That's probably the best bit of fast forwarding I've seen. Okay, let's press the info button. So it's telling me exactly what the movie file is all about in terms of its makeup, resolution, video modes, bit rates, etc. That's pretty cool. So if I pause that, yeah, pause works. I can play. And I pause again. I can probably zoom. Make wider, make taller. Okay, we'll zoom normal because otherwise that could have been awkward. What else can we do? Subtitles. Maybe we have to press play. Actually, going back to a previous thing, I may need to have set up my subtitles properly. Okay, that's pretty cool. So you can change the vertical shift, style correction, the font and the colour of them. That's pretty good. If I had any for this particular movie. Let's stop. Let's go back to the browser. Okay, so that was a 7 gig file, I believe. Okay, this is just a little Xvid test now, 700 meg AVI of, I think, The Princess Bride, second half of it anyway. The loading time, regardless of the movie size, seems to be much the same. So there you go, as you can see, it's just a MPEG-4 format, and it's wrapped up in an AVI container, 700 meg. Duration is 57 minutes. On the front of the display of the Max itself, it's telling me that I'm 22 seconds into the movie. Assuming these two numbers link up, so is it? Yep, they do. Alright, what can we do here? Audio, that doesn't do anything. Oh. that's handy if you've got different audio tracks. So let's try and go back. I think up's got multiple audio tracks. So this is an 8 gig MKV. So as you can see, it's telling me what audio tracks it's using. So I've got, I don't know, it might be Dutch or German subtitles. Got it in Dolby Digital and DTS, so we'll go with DTS multi-channel for English, is what we want. And subtitle, yeah, see, we can have Dutch subtitles. That was handy. What else can we do? We can mute it. Change the volume on that. We can slow down to see Pixar's little lamp hanging in the air. That's pretty cool. Not sure why we'd want to do that, but I'm sure it's got its uses. What else can we do? We press stop. Go to the menu. Okay, listen to TV shows. Again, it's an MKV, 8 gig or so. Nothing special. You can see loading time tends to be 5, 6, 7 or so seconds. It's Band of Brothers. Let's see if there's a way of skipping through the movie quite a lot. Okay, you can skip in chunks of 10 seconds by pressing the right button. And there's a go to. That's cool, remember how far in. So let's just whiz over there. Okay, there's a go to button. Okay, the page up and page down skip you 10 minutes in advance. I really should read the manual, I suppose, but I don't know why I'm going to start doing that now. A specific go-to button, no, but the interface is not ugly and the buttons are nice to press. So, oh, what was that? Jump to, there we go. You can jump to a percentage of the movie, or let me get rid of that button. Jump to percentage or time. So let's go 10, 16. Alright, 60%. 37 minutes through. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you get the go-to button by pressing, for some reason, the 0 button. Don't ask. Okay, let's stop that. Next up, we're going to try some music playback.